Okay, hello fellow YouTubers, and we're back today. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some fidget spinners. I told you I'd be doing some of these, and I cannot wait to show you, but I got me in the one in the mail yesterday, and I forgot to make one. But we're going to be doing how to make the sound stop on a fidget spinner. So, you know, if you're in class, it doesn't, make all kinds of sounds. But I did get one yesterday. This thing is dope. It doesn't spin that long. It spins for about a minute. But this, I don't really like them spinning. I usually sit here and just do this. I don't like it sitting there just doing this. Now, I do have to buy some bearing grease for this. I don't know about WD-40 on this. I don't want to ruin this because this was $15. But this thing, because it's a little noisy if you can hear it. I don't know. But it's awesome. It feels great. It doesn't wobble like the other ones. Like this one. This one doesn't wobble either. It's a miniature one instead of the bigger ones like this. But this one doesn't wobble. But the bigger ones like this, they do wobble. I had one. I let my grandma use it because I don't like it. But I wouldn't set this on the table and spin it because it's loud. It's like this. It's really loud. Oh, my sinuses are going crazy. Okay. So, you need to get one of these. They're awesome. Okay, back into the video. Okay, we're going to be doing this. You need some WD-40. People said that you don't need to use it, but you do. I've used it a couple times on them, and they're pretty good after a while. You do have to spin it for at least a long time. You need to mess with it like all day. Just mess with it. It doesn't have to be like non-stop. But you need to, at least after you spray this, you need to spray it and play with it for at least 2 minutes before you set it back down and go play or whatever. Because then it's just gonna mess it all up. Make sure you have a paper towel if you're doing this on the table. I'm moving this down. You won't see my face a little bit. Remove your caps. I have the small bearing. That's what I'm doing today. You can do it on, I'm trying to look, I think on this one. Yeah. You can do it on this type of spinner, but the thing is, when you go to spray it, don't spray it on this side, you have to spray it on this side, okay? But today I'm going to be doing this, which it's the same on both sides. So, let me put this back together. What kid? Okay. So, then you get your WD-40. You can spray it or use the straw. Well, I'm gonna use the straw because all I do is hit it and it goes all the way around it. Okay, got that. Boy, it's coming out, boy. Okay, that's a little weird. Okay. Make sure you don't have any dripping out. Make sure you don't have like a puddle in there, because trust me, it's just a mess. While you're spinning it, it comes out. Ouch. I try to spin them so hard that when I go to spin them so hard, the cap falls off. Then you have to play with it for a couple minutes, like I said. And after a while, it should really quiet. It should really stop making that noise. Especially if you like doing this, it doesn't make that noise as much. either. But you gotta work it in. If you hear this, it's still making a noise, yeah. But you have to work it in. Because if you don't work it in, then it's not gonna work. Work on them in. Okay, now, I told you guys that I've ordered a bunch of fidget spinners. And yes, I have. I have about 30 of them coming in the mail, which they'll be coming around May 11th, around there. I'll have a lot of them. But every time I get one, a couple or something, I'll make a YouTube video about it, and I'll show you guys, and I'll tell you if it's good or not. If you want it to spin long, then I wouldn't get this. But if you just want to sit here and just do this, then this is a good thing. I love this. It looks cool. It has like it looks like it has little burn marks on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's cool. You can get them cheaper now. They're like $10. You can get them. If you want to spend a long time, you get this, but it's a miniature one. And yeah, I've been getting a bunch of these, and really good. But I'll show you all these fidget spinners that me and my sister are collecting here. So these are open. This is what we got so far, and I just got this one. These two are glow in the dark. So yeah, that's what I have right now. But then I have 30 more for coming in the mail. I can't wait until I get them all. And when I get them all, then I'm going to spin them all at the same time. I'm going to try to spin it. I think I'll have 40 of them equal for me and my sisters. And I'm going to try to spin 40 of them all together. Okay, so would show you this. I don't know if you would like it or not, because it doesn't spin that long. I mean, I don't have a good bearing in this. But if you cut a circle out of wood, and then you cut a circle in the middle and put a bearing in it, it spins. But I don't have a good bearing in this, so it doesn't spin that long. It's not that good. But I was giving you advice to do this. Another one, you can do this. If you have zip ties, you put 3 bearings in there, you zip tie it, and you zip tie these 2 things. Now this one, I have a noisy bearing in there, but it works good. I like this. I'm probably going to order some caps for this. Caps are $1, so ain't that bad. Okay, so